Imagine this. Just 1% of the population controls nearly half of the world's wealth. What sets them apart? Why some people effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? Let's uncover the secrets of how the 1% build wealth differently and how you can join their ranks. By the end of this video, you'll discover practical strategies to shift from merely saving to actively building wealth, transforming your financial trajectory for good. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Let's get started. Number 1. Strategic thinking beyond income. The top 1% don't chase paychecks. They chase positions that multiply wealth. While most people obsess over getting a raise, the wealthy obsess over getting returns. You could earn $150K a year and still stay broke if your income mindset isn't paired with an investment mindset. Curious how that happens? Stick with me. Let me explain. Most people are trained to think more income is equal more wealth. So they keep switching jobs for an extra $10K or work 70-hour weeks to squeeze in more hours. But the 1% think bigger. They ask, how can I turn this money into a system that prints more money, even while I sleep? Millions of people make six figures and still live paycheck to paycheck. Here's the move. Before upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your asset column. Take 20% of every paycheck and put it into appreciating assets like index funds, real estate, or dividend-paying stocks. Example, instead of splurging on a $5,000 luxuries, invest that in an ETF or mutual funds, which has averaged 10% annual returns. Don't just focus on how much you make, focus on what you multiply. Number 2, turning risk into a wealth magnet. Here's the untold secret. The 1% don't fear risk, they recruit it. While most people run from uncertainty, the wealthy walk straight into it with a plan. What if I told you that the very thing you're avoiding, calculated risk, is the exact reason why you're not wealthy yet? Let's talk straight. The average person sees risk as danger, but the top 1%, they see risk as a toll booth on the highway to wealth. As Warren Buffett says in The Intelligent Investor, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Most people fear starting a business, buying stocks, or investing in real estate because they might lose money. The wealthy don't jump blindly. They take calculated risks. You can start small, put $100/month into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Or launch a micro-business around your skill, like graphic design, tutoring, or digital marketing, with just $500 up front. Number 3, making your money work overtime. Most people only know one income stream, their job. They work 40 hours a week and think they're secure. But here's the trap. The moment they stop working, their income dies. The top 1% don't trade time for money. They build machines that pay them forever. They don't hustle harder, they hustle smarter. And the engine behind that? Passive income from leveraged assets. If your money isn't earning money while you're sleeping, eating, or traveling, you're in the wrong game. Michelle started a blog as a side hustle while paying off student debt. She learned affiliate marketing, wrote digital guides, and reinvested in tools and SEO. Today, she makes over $100,000 per month, most of it passive. She doesn't need a boss, a raise, or overtime hours. She built a digital asset that works 24/7. The average person spends what they earn. The wealthy build with what they earn and let their assets spend for them. Number 4, harnessing tech, the secret wealth weapon of the 1%. Think about it. While you're manually budgeting on paper, someone else is using AI-powered financial apps to invest smarter, track cash flow, and even automate crypto trades. In the book, Rich Dad's Guide to Investing, Robert Kiyosaki says, "The rich invent money." Today, that invention happens through innovation, whether it's creating an app, launching a dropshipping store, or investing early in emerging platforms. Use AI tools to build content, manage projects, or create digital assets like ebooks, courses, or newsletters. The top 1% don't just use technology. They leverage it to multiply income, automate life, and dominate markets. Ask yourself, is this tool helping me earn, learn, or burn time? Because the ones who build wealth today aren't just working harder, they're working smarter with smarter tools. Number 5, wealth loves company. Your net worth is often a reflection of your network. The wealthiest 1% don't just attend parties, they build power circles. They don't just make friends, they build alliances. Because in the real game of wealth, who you know often opens more doors than what you know. Ever read Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi? He writes, "Success in any field, but especially in business, is about working with people, not against them. And this is where most people fall flat. They operate in isolation, never collaborating, never asking, never offering value. But the wealthy, they form mastermind groups, join exclusive clubs, attend investor meetups, and constantly surround themselves with smarter, bolder people. Why? Because ideas compound faster in the company of visionaries. Be valuable before you need value. Offer help, insight, or introductions with no strings attached. Join communities that challenge your thinking. From local entrepreneur meetups to online masterminds on platforms like LinkedIn or Circle. Reach out weekly. One cold dom. One coffee meeting. One follow-up email. Small seeds, big outcomes. Number 6. Think rich to get rich. You don't need millions to start thinking like the wealthy. You need the mindset first to make the millions. The top 1% don't just manage money differently. They think about it in ways most people never will. While most folks are stuck in survival mode, thinking paycheck to paycheck, clipping coupons, and fearing risk, the wealthy are constantly asking, how can I multiply this dollar? How can I make my money work harder than I do? A 25-year-old man decided to start thinking like an owner instead of a consumer. He skipped upgrading his car and used that $500 per month to buy dividend stocks. In 3 years, his portfolio paid him $1,200 per month in passive income. Number 7. They reinvest, not just earn. Ever wonder why making more money doesn't automatically make people rich? The truth is, the 1% don't just earn. They reinvest like their future depends on it. And guess what? It does. This habit is the hidden engine that turns a $50,000 paycheck into a $5 million net worth over time. Here's why it matters. Most people celebrate a raise by upgrading their lifestyle. New car, fancier dinners, bigger apartment, without thinking twice. But this mindset is a silent killer of wealth. Imagine if just 20% of that income was consistently reinvested into appreciating assets, stocks, rental properties, or a side business. Over 20 years, that could compound to millions. Earning is just the start. Wealth is built by making your money hustle for you. Think of your income like seeds. The rich plant them, water them, and harvest abundance. Most just pick the fruits and wonder why the tree never grows. Which one are you? Number 8. They build multiple vehicles, not just one stream. The 1% build wealth vehicles, not just jobs. They know that no single stream is safe, and wealth loves diversification with intention. A job gives you cash flow, but assets give you freedom. People rely on a single paycheck. When layoffs hit, emergencies happen, or the economy shifts, they panic. 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning 6 figures. Cody Sanchez, once in private equity, built over 27 different income streams across laundromats, newsletter businesses, content, and small acquisitions. Her empire now generates over $5 million per year in revenue. Building wealth like the 1% isn't about luck. It's about mindset, strategy, and action. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about the freedom to live life on your terms and make a difference in the world. If you found this video insightful, subscribe to You Are Wealthy for more transformative financial content. It takes you less than a second to like, subscribe, and share. But that 1 second could change someone's entire mindset. Let's embark on this journey to financial empowerment together. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.